Shannon's asked me to talk about the Christmas, the elderly, the outreach to the elderly. I want to tell you what happens on the day so that you understand what it's all about. And the three Van der Merwe girls and some other people from the church were also there last year. We do a lunch, and each guest receives, we call it a bag of love. It's a bag filled with groceries and some toiletries, and that this year it will be about to the value of 180, 185 rand. And then we give them a meal. It's a chicken leg quarter with salads, and they get some dessert and cool drink and snacks and ice cream. And this year we want to add some jelly. And the kiddies from the creche sing, and we share a word from the Lord to them, just a seasonal word. The Lord usually gives us a theme, and then the ladies and the gentlemen have a lot of fun as well. And when they leave, comments we've received is, "Vandag het die Here my raak gesien." Of, "Het julle dit alles vir ons gedoen?" Because you see, kids get stuff. I know there's some churches organizing gifts for the kids. The people who work get stuff from where they work. The elderly are forgotten. And we remember them, and we want to honor them for the people who they are, and make them see that they are seen and that they have value. And that's what this outreach is about. Now, participating in the outreach costs you. If you decide to give a contribution, money contribution, it costs you some money out of your pocket. If you're going to work, it costs you sweat. If you're going to do other stuff, you're going to sing. Like the Van der Merwe girls, they blessed us with goose flesh we had when they were singing last year. It was wonderful. And working. I mean, we work hard when we're there. So you're pouring out. But you know what the Lord comes and does? He comes and pours in again. You don't do it to get that. You do it because it's something He's put on your heart to share with them. But then God comes and He pours in. And I can tell you, all the people who work there, they come and say to me, I say to them, "Thank you for being here." They say, "No, thank you that we could be here." So whatever your contribution is, it's going to make a huge difference in somebody's life. And it's just wonderful to be part of something like this that the Lord's called us to be part of. And thank you to the church and to Chris and Michelle who are on our part of this as well. It's really a blessing. So thank you. So you can either help pack on the Thursday night when we fill all the bags. It happens at our house. Our house becomes a conveyor system through our dining room and lounge. And then you can decorate on the Saturday morning, be on the decorating team. Salad making at our house, that is nearly full because we can only have about 7 people there. And then the other is to serve. And that is also wonderful. So you can just indicate there. At the back is a board, where and how you want to get involved. Thank you.
Prys die Here vir mense met 'n hart wat kan uitreik. Amen. So ondersteun haar, be a blessing. We are blessed to be a blessing